Introducing the AMG2034, the industry's first 4U retractable rack. Its short depth and heavy-duty slide-out mechanism ensures an easy-to-install solution for AMG and third-party DIN rail equipment in 19-inch racks and cabinets. The 2034 features a locking line cord to prevent accidental disconnection. Each rack chassis features removable screw terminal connections for up to 10 devices, depending on product width, and occupies only 4U of rack space, offering a simple and elegant rack mount solution for space-restricted installations. The 2034 can be ordered without any power supply as a pure mounting system, fully integrated single or dual redundant mains or DC input power supplies with both 12-volt DC and 56-volt DC outputs. Available to support power over Ethernet and non-power over Ethernet equipment. The unit offers cable management apertures for clean installation. It is designed and manufactured in the UK and is supplied with an AMG lifetime support warranty.